channel. Well, I have been doing a lot of experimenting lately. Oh, and there's a sale on at Michael's, 70% off their canvases. So I loaded up today. So I've got two 12 by 12 gallery wrapped canvases, taped and pinned. And I'm going to be doing an experiment of sorts with fractals and with the cloud pour. So here we go. I'm going to flood both these canvases, put them together so that I can make like a diptych, I guess, if I call it that. So, ooh, I'm sure I'll have enough paint here. There's 16 ounces left in this bottle, and I've got a squeeze bottle too. I want to make sure I get, yeah, probably just enough. There we go. All right, so I'm going to move this around first, make sure my sides are all covered. And then I'm going to do a regular cloud pour and add fractals after the fact. So let's see how that works. My colors, I have golden fluid in phthalo green, phthalo turquoise, I'm sorry. And it's very, very thin. This is a leftover color, Pebeo iridescent green blue. Now these are going to be the fractal colors. This is Colourarte Northern Lights. This is Colourarte Beach House. All right, so I'm gonna just go right across. I'm gonna go up this way and that way. No. One color. The next color. Ooh. So I'm going to tilt these right now. See if we can get some cells going. Wow, there's a lot of paint coming off there. Perfect. That's exactly what I want. All right, now let's see if I can match them up. Go up a little higher. Cool. Very cool. Oh my goodness, I love it. I'm going to tilt this one a little bit more this way. Just to get rid of that. Well, you know what? I'm not going to sacrifice the whole painting just for that little drip. There we go. Ooh, I'm excited. Do I even want to put fractals on that? Jeez Louise, it's pretty. All right, I'm just going to fix that very easily. Da, 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 da. All right, I'm going to add some fractals, but not a lot, because I'm really loving what's going on here. Oh gosh, do I want to brisk it? Oh, that is really turning out pretty. You know what? I'm going to add just a couple, just for giggles. I don't even know if they're going to fractal. Just something fun to do. Oh, I like it. There's a lot of iridescence in this. I think this might be my best piece yet. Oh my goodness. I don't want to overdo it with this. So I think I'm going to, you know what, I might just put some down the center and see what happens. Yeah, it's fractaling. I can see it now. Kind of cool. Just another way of making your paintings unique. Cool. All right, that's it. That's all. That's it. That's all. I'm going to put you on time lapse and we'll see you in a few. Well, guys, this is really interesting. There's that Northern Lights. I hope it holds. And I have some cells back here, but what's happened is there's a type of varnish in the Vivid Enamels, and that's kind of creeping into this right here. So it kind of distorted the cells a little bit. I think if I do this, when I do this again, I'll put less of the fractals in. But aren't they cool? Yeah, it's so different. Look at that. Very cool. And then those pigments are bleeding right into the teal, which I think is an opaque color. Might be semi-opaque, I'm not sure. And we've got some nice puffy clouds up here. Yeah, I'm kind of digging it. I'm glad I did it. There's some more of those. They almost look like stars or something. They're not quite round anymore, but those are. So I like these two a lot. I hope you guys do too. Please be safe, create, and please like, share, and subscribe. Ciao for now. See you soon.